Welcome back to the FDIC Money Smart course, Money Matters. I'm John Hurley, the Financial Literacy Consultant for the Apache Junction Public Library. In this segment, we're going to talk about some tools to help you develop a spending plan. Now, to implement your plan successfully, you've got to keep accurate records. Now, here are a few tips to help you maintain those records. First, keep them in a safe place, in your home or in a safe deposit box. Also, organize your home files so it's easy for you to find your earnings and spending information and update them in a timely manner. And remember to keep your tax records for at least 3 years. And finally, when paying bills, you should mail any checks that you send to pay those bills about a week early, if you're able to, before they're due to avoid any late fees. Now, there are many tools out there to help you keep your savings and spending records up to date and to help you carry out your budgeting. Some of these tools include a monthly payment schedule, a monthly payment calendar, an expense envelope system, and having what they call a budget box system. Now, there's also various computer programs available, but in this segment, we're going to focus on just the first two that we mentioned. So let's talk about the monthly payment schedule. This tool helps you plan in advance when to pay your bills. It also allows you to record when you'll receive the income to pay those bills. We'll now do an exercise here in completing a monthly payment schedule. To begin doing this exercise, we should have already completed an income and expense worksheet, because that would contain all of the income and expense information that we'll need to transfer to the monthly payment schedule. First, we'll need to transfer the income sources to the left-hand column of the schedule. Also, we'll need to record the date that the income is received. Now, in this example, one person gets paid $1,050 on the 5th and the 20th of each month. The other person gets paid $350 each week on the 6th, 13th, 20th, and the 27th of the month. Next, we'll list the couple's expenses, including the due date, the amount, and the planned payment date. And then you complete the last column, which is the date, the payment column, once you make a payment. And be sure to list the expenses by their due date, from the earliest to the latest. In this example, the amounts and dates for the expenses are savings, $75 due on April 1st, and note that savings is listed first. Remember to always pay yourself first. Rent, $1,000 due also on April 1st. Food, $400 due on April 5th. Transportation, $200 on April 5th. Personal expenses, $150 due on April 10th. There's child care payments, $200 due on April 10th, telephone payment due on April 25th, and there's another child care payment of $200 also due on April 25th. And finally, there's credit card payments of $140 due on April 28th. You've now completed the monthly payment schedule for April. Another spending tool is the monthly payment calendar. This tool serves the same purpose as the monthly payment schedule, but in a calendar format. Now we're going to complete the monthly payment calendar. Like the monthly payment schedule, we'll need to transfer the same income sources and expenses to the monthly payment calendar. And then when you pay any expense, you can check off the entry or mark through it with an X. You can change either of these tools to make them easier for you to use. That concludes this segment of the FDIC Money Smart course, Money Matters. I'm John Hurley, the Financial Literacy Consultant for the Apache Junction Public Library. Thank you for watching.